Nepal has been ravaged by massive landslides and floods due to incessant rainfall.
As the monsoon set off in Nepal, incidents of floods and landslides have been reported in the country,
where the death toll from flooding and landslides has risen to more than 100. 41 people are still missing, according to the Nepal government's Disaster Management Department.
Hello everyone, I am Sachin, and in this special episode I will be exploring the profound connection between my personal identity and shifting climate change in my home country. Nestled amidst the majestic Himalayas, Nepal is a country of breathtaking beauty and rich cultural heritage. However, this landlocked nation is also deeply vulnerable to the impacts of climate change. Rising temperatures, melting glaciers, and erratic rainfall patterns are threatening the lives of millions of Nepalese people. In this video, I'll explore the climate identity of Nepal, examining how climate change is shaping country's environment, society, and economy. Nepal's climate identity is strongly linked to its mountainous landscape. The Himalayas, the world's highest mountain range, act as a natural barrier, regulating the flow of air and water across the region. However, climate change is disrupting the delicate balance. Glaciers, which once observed as a source of water for a region, are rapidly melting, threatening the water supplies for agriculture and hydropower. Rising temperatures are also causing more frequent and severe extreme weather events such as landslides, floods, and droughts. These events are causing widespread damage in infrastructure, crops, and homes.
राकेश मेहताज्यू जुन राजनीतिक पक्षमा हिजो बेलुकादेखि लगातार
Climate change is not just a distant threat, it's a reality that is affecting my community every day. I see it in the faces of farmers struggling to cultivate their land, in the food insecurity that affects children and families, and in the growing sense of vulnerability among my neighbors. Climate change is also challenging my own identity as a Nepali. It is forcing me to confront the harsh realities of our changing world and question my country's future. I am filled with a sense of urgency, a need to act and to make a difference. But amidst the challenges, there is also hope. I see it in the resilience of my people, in their determination to adapt and find solutions. Some local governments are starting campaigns for planting trees and are investing in renewable energy sources. Communities are adopting sustainable practices and individuals are taking action to protect our environment. I'm inspired by the stories of communities working together to reforest their lands, develop drought-resistant crops, and establish early warning systems for extreme weather events. These actions are not just about survival, they are about preserving our way of life, culture, and connection to the land. The future of Nepal's climate identity is not just up to us, it's up to the world. We need global cooperation, shared responsibility, and collective commitment to address the climate crisis. I believe that Nepal, with its rich history, its resilient people, and its deep connection to nature, can be a beacon of hope in face of climate change. We can show the world that adaptation is possible, that mitigation is essential, and that together we can create a more sustainable future for all. Nepal's climate identity is a story of vulnerability and resilience, of challenge and opportunity. It is a story that reminds us that we all are interconnected and we all must work together to save our planet for future generations. So let's join hands, share our knowledge, and work together to protect our Earth. Thank you.